I, Justin, take you, Laura, to be my wife, my constant friend, my faithful partner, and my love from this day forward. In the presence of God, our family and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, and in joy as well as sorrow.
I have only known love, been loved, and given love since loving you and you loving me. My heart would finally know love the moment I kissed you, the moment I started dating and loving you. My heart was already yours before you knew it, but was cemented when we shared our I love yous. My forever started the day you knelt down on one knee and asked me to be forever yours. I promise to you that you will always be loved, healed, and shown love for all of our days and after.
When I see you walking there, that I all eternity wrapped in one space and time, it's in your eyes, dressed in white to be my bride. I found love and courage are like two hearts in a dance. Wherever the one goes, the other dares to take a chance. So I took a knee, now I get to take your hand. And with you by my side, I'm stronger than I've ever been. Oh, but baby, there's no way that I won't cry when I see you walking down that aisle, all eternity wrapped in one space and time, it's in your eyes, dressed in white to be my bride. Oh, be my bride. Oh.
I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you in your goals, to honor and respect you, to laugh with you and to cry with you, and to cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
I fully commit my heart, body, and soul to you, now and forever. I'm forever blessed by God to have you as my best friend, my soulmate, and my husband. I will always love you, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Forever and always. I love you.
I am pleased to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
All eternity in history, my dreams and mine alight in your eyes, dressed in white, and I'm gonna hold you every night. My bride. Hold on to hope, don't let go. Don't give up, there's rest for your weary soul, and time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told, and hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of old. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. Oh. you've been through. I wish it was all just pretend, just an awful dream. But please don't let your heart grow dead, for God restores and brings hope and grace and truth and life. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah.
To my Laura, my dearest Laura, you know, I knew this day would come, and here it is. And your mother and I are very proud of the woman you are. Your smile and your caring approach towards people will always serve you well. Don't ever lose that. My dearest Laura, I love you.
We talked about it, we dreamed about it, and we always thought that we were going to be together. And even though we're not together in this, like next to each other in the same room, we're going to work together, but we're always there right next to each other in our hearts. Justin, you're an incredible man. I'm so happy my sister has found you. You truly love her with all your heart. And I'm just so happy that she has someone that loves you more than I do.
Justin pulled me aside and he said, Neha, I am all in on Laura. I had the pleasure of seeing Justin be so passionate about work, traveling, and now I was so happy to see him being passionate about Laura. I loved seeing Justin put in so much effort to getting Laura to come to Richmond or for Justin to make trips to Michigan. And it was really funny for me to see him do it so smoothly when he was really working so hard to really get some FaceTime with her.
When I first got to see Laura and Justin interact together on the cruise, there was an undeniable spark between the two of them that is clearly evident to those around her. As one of her best friends, I truly believe she deserves nothing but the best, even if it meant a little push for those who care for her.
It's rare to meet a person that comes up to you and doesn't share their own accolades, but asks you about what's going on in your life. It's like putting them in front of your own self-interest, and you do that better than almost anyone I've ever known. And I really appreciate that. And that's what I believe a relationship is built upon. When you are able to put other people in front of yourselves, bring out the best in them. And you've done that even with me, but I can see that with the two of you. Justin is calmer when you're around him, and at the same time, you light up when you see him.
And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. Grace is the reason why we're both alive, so we'll pour out grace until we die. Ooh.